Hey, welcome to another exciting tutorial where I will be teaching you how to deal with harsh lighting on the body of your model. Okay, so there are times that when you are taking pictures outdoor, because of the bright sunlight you have at that moment, the sunlight might cause some harsh lighting on the body of your model. So the first thing you want to do is to select the part of the skin you want to work on. Okay, so we are only working on the legs of the model. So let's select just the legs of the model. Okay, after selecting the leg, put it on a separate layer like this. Okay, so now go to your adjustments, select your exposure tool. Okay, then make sure you click this arrow down here. Okay, so in your exposure, bring it down a little, not too much. But while you are doing this, fix your eyes on your image so that you don't mess it up. Increase your offset, your gamma correction, increase it for contrast. Okay. So this is the before, this is the after. To an extent, we have been able to correct it, but that is not all. So it remains just one more step and we're good to go. So the next step is to fix the harsh lighting at the top of the leg here. Okay, that is the next step, and that will be the last step. Okay, so open a new layer here and then change the blending mode to darken. Okay, so select your brush tool by pressing B or selecting it here. Okay, then zoom in. So press and hold I on your keyboard, or yes, press and hold high on your keyboard, and then select a part of the skin that is well exposed, okay, that you want to copy. Okay, so I will select this part of the skin. Okay, I selected it, and then change your opacity to something around 20, 21, your flow to something around 19, not far from your opacity. Okay, after setting your brush to this, then start brushing on the part that is exposed. Okay, let's check the overall before and after to see if I've done a good job. Okay, I can just group all this. So these are our before and these are after. You can see that we have done a really good job correcting the harsh lighting on the skin. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button. Please support me as I will be dropping a lot of exciting tutorials on photography on this channel. Thank you so much.